Get ready for dictation. Dictation exercise 81. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, thank you for permitting me to speak, though at the fag end of the discussion. I shall try to confine myself to a few minutes. Yesterday evening, many of us who are present here had an opportunity, perhaps a slightly sad opportunity, to bid farewell to many of the honorable members of this house, and at that time many of us happened to discover another superb quality of our finance minister as a singer. While having dinner, our honorable finance minister proved himself to be a very good singer, if I remember correctly, as an ordinary music lover. The raga which he sang was Malkans, our illustrious world renowned musician Pandit Ravi Shankar is not present here, otherwise, he would here corrected me. The selection of the raga was appropriate there, as we were bidding farewell to many of our honorable colleagues. But from the angle of the present state of affairs of our economy, the melancholy of that raga is very meaningful. I do not know whether the finance minister was selecting that raga from this angle also. I hope, and I hope against hopes, that the honorable finance minister would be in a position to sing another raga also, as the whole country is faced with a severe drought. Going by the trends that we have been discerning in the economic sphere, as has been correctly mentioned by other speakers, the whole picture is not at all hopeful. It is fraud which with dangers. I do not want to enumerate all that now, but I find a very dangerous tendency developing in our country, which is against democratic tradition, both in the policy and again in the economic management. Parliament has been considered, and Parliament should be the supreme authority to make legislation. Similarly, each and every paisa to be levied on the people should be done after trade war discussion in parliament. But what is being done these days, so far as legislation is concerned, through ordinance, backdoor legislation is being practiced. Full stop. Change. Similarly, in physical matter, the importance of budget is being eroded just before the presentation of the budget. The government is taking recourse to various methods through which an economic attack is being perpetrated on the masses or the people, so that when the actual budget comes, the purpose of pickpocketing the people will be served through many other method adopted by him. Full stop. Thank you.